Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a very special opportunity that many of you have asked about. This quilt is called Christmas in Coeur d'Alene, and if you are a frequent watcher of our YouTube channel, you're like, I've seen that before. And you are correct. Last year, when we introduced Christmas in Coeur d'Alene with Stof of 2024, Stof Christmas, that quilt kit sold out in just days, and the amount of people on the wait list was in the hundreds. Well, Stof Christmas, they only do it one time each year. So we were introduced to Stof Christmas 2025, which is what you're seeing. We said, of course, we want to remake this quilt so that those of you that have been waiting are going to have your prayers answered. So if you missed out before, we are thrilled to let you know that Christmas in Coeur d'Alene is back, and it's colored just as before, but with Christmas of 2025 fabrics, and this is the beautiful coordinating backing. Here's the great news. Stof is still printing this fabric, so they flew in enough yardage for us to make the quilt, including the backing, so you could see the finished beautiful quilt, and you get to simply make a deposit. This is called a reserve, where you're spending $10 toward the cost of your kit to reserve one of the coveted kits and $5 toward the backing. Isn't that nice to know? You don't have to think about this again. And now it's on us. The work is on us now. Once you get to the website and you make your deposits on these things, your part's done. Now, once the fabric comes in, our team is very busy. We work as a team to receive the fabric, make sure it's perfectly cut, carefully folded and packaged. We'll bill you for the difference and have that your way, and you'll know that you will have a spectacular quilt headed your way. All patchwork, just like before. You maybe were not maybe a viewer when we first introduced this, extremely popular. All of the fabrics have beautiful metallic accents, and it's so tastefully done. I've seen metallic actually poorly done where it's just overwhelming. This is just the perfect amount of metallic accent. Deep, rich commitments of color. I love that. It's timeless. It's timeless. It's going to be popular now, in 10 years, and in 50 years. This will never go out of style, and I love that. There's obviously things that come and go and trends. This is not one of those things. It's a timeless Christmas fabric, and I love the size of it. Beautiful in a bed, beautiful on the back of a couch, wherever. The most important thing, though, of course, is to reserve that kit and reserve the backing, because we had to make a guess. And Stof, as we know, prints just one time. By the way, if you're like, I'm in love with this caliber of fabric, head to the website. We have some Stof 2024 fabrics remaining. Scoop those up. That's like gold. You're never going to be disappointed to have that fabric in your stash. You will find things to make out of that you're just going to love to make. Same colors, same beautiful gold metallic accents. So again, head over there maybe while you're waiting for this kit to come your way. These are the notions that we use to make our sample quilt. Let me just call your attention to one of the most significant templates here, and it was something we actually designed specifically for the Christmas in Coeur d'Alene quilt, and it's this portion of the quilt block. When I first designed this quilt many years ago, actually, it took me a while from when I first designed it to actually find the perfect collection to bring it to life, and that was definitely Stof last year. But this block is made so much simpler with a square and a star point template. And that template is something I would highly encourage you to add on once you reserve your kit and reserve your backing. It just makes this portion of the quilt block really dialed in, and I've already recorded a video, see the QR code here, of how to use that template. And you can go watch that now, because remember, this came out last year, so you can go ahead and watch that. So that is a very significant template that I found extremely helpful. You can make it without it. It's so much simpler with the template. The other things that I would call your attention to, because it's such precise piecing, is the seam guide. If you're like me and you struggle a little bit with the consistency of a 1/4 inch, then you might want to consider that seam guide. So that's just something I want to throw out there. And other things, fresh blade, maybe patchwork pins, new needles, whatever you need, get those things. But the most important, as always, because we had to guess, and probably underguessed again, is to get your kit, is to make that $10 deposit, $5 toward the backing, encouraging you toward the template, and any other notions you might need. And let a friend know as well. One of my favorite things when I hear good news is sharing it with the people I love. So thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you Christmas in Coeur d'Alene with the beautiful Stof Christmas fabrics of 2025.